Guys, what is up? Welcome back. We are doing some cleaning today. I need to clean under the abyss that is my couch and in the cushions and just dust, and basically I'm trying to get ready to decorate for fall. So I'm gonna be breaking out some of my fall decorations, I believe, tomorrow. And so I need to go ahead and have a clean slate to decorate with. Of course, we are getting into the cooler weather where the house is going to be closed up, the heat's going to be turning on soon, and I don't want to deal with like all of the dust that is hiding underneath crevices and things. As you can tell, it's like a dungeon in my house. It's pouring down rain and cloudy, so it's the perfect day to just try to get some cleaning done. I'm gonna pop my earbuds in and hopefully give some motivation. It's gonna be like a cleaning motivation marathon style video. And you guys, I cannot believe we are less than 2 weeks away from the start of Momtober. I have been very busy filming behind the scenes things for Momtober, which is all fall content coming in October. So we are doing Sunday through Thursday videos, so 5 days a week, or 5 videos a week that you guys will be seeing all month long of October. So super pumped about that. Super pumped to start getting fall decorations out tomorrow. Let's get to cleaning though. Okay, first things first, I have my air purifier on because dust truly bothers me. Gives me like sore throat, stuffy nose, like sinus pressure headaches. So I went ahead and put this guy on. It's been running for, I don't know, probably about an hour or so now, and will continue to run while I go ahead and dust. So I need to, first of all, I'm going to pop my earbuds in. I'm going to tackle underneath the couch, lift up all the cushions, and use a shop vac and just get to getting things done. I have all of my cushions from outside, kind of like, I just like left them here. So I'm going to go ahead and put those back in storage. Yeah. That spot that had all of the food and crumbs, can you guess who sits there the most? That is Sydney's spot. And I'm kind of horrified to see how disgusting it is, because it's not like I go forever without cleaning in here. It just kind of happens. You know, living life. The vacuum that I am using is honestly not the best. I will link it if you are in the, you know, you want something like inexpensive that it gets the job done. It does come with attachments, but I was kind of too lazy to go grab them. It gets the job done, but it's not like the most powerful thing. So FYI, it's just a shop vac that I am using. But yeah, the couch desperately needed vacuuming. And then I wanted to go ahead and check underneath the couch. I do sweep it often, but the couch has these 2 sections. So when I pull them apart, it's where all of the little pieces of the toys go. And we literally
clean under here, I think once every other month. I want to say I do, obviously. And I'm constantly checking for little toys, but it is where everything, it's like, you know that character in Halloween Town that everything when it's lost, it goes to his house? That is this couch. While I put the couch back together, let's just chat a little bit about fall and Halloween, decorations, etc. Over the years, I have changed, my style has changed, my taste has changed, and I am more of a simple decorator. I just feel like clutter just is it stresses me out, to be honest. The only time I decorate with more things is Christmas, and that fills my soul, so it doesn't bother me as much. But I am definitely sticking more towards the simple, a little bit more neutral, subtle fall decorations. But there are some things that I want at Target, so I am going to go grab, like pillows. It is time to retire these fuzzy pillows on my couch. I have had them for years. They came from Home Goods, literally way before Sydney was born. I've had these. And it's just time. It's just time to change things out a little bit. So I'm going to head over to Target and grab some of their, throw pillows, maybe pop over to Home Goods as well. It's been so long since I've checked out decorations there. And Sydney wants to decorate for Halloween, and I have some things for her playroom, but maybe bringing her with me to pick out some Halloween decorations as well and just be a little bit more festive in, either her playroom or bedroom. We will see as far as, outside goes. I'm not really even sure what we're allowed to do since we do live, we have an association. So, yeah, what do you guys do? Let me know in the comments. Actually makes me feel so much better just getting all of that clutter off of the TV stand. I don't know why Sydney's piggy bank lived there for so long, but it did. I'm gonna go put that in her room, of course. This plant, I don't know, it's seen its better days, but it needs to be over here closer to the light.
And then this is gonna house the fern that I have out front that I'm gonna bring in once the weather cools off a little bit. So that's why it's empty, but that will be my fern probably within the next week or so. But it feels really good to get like the DVDs and stuff off of the top of that. And then over here, that's gonna go in storage, that's gonna go in storage. Sydney was just playing with a bunch of blankets over there the other day, making forts. This right here is where all of Sydney's like artwork, schoolwork, I have it for now, but yeah, all gonna go up in storage. All right, another thing I need to tackle, as you can see, these stains on the spot where Sydney sits. As you can tell, this is Sydney's spot. There were like crumbs over here. Anyway, these are all watermarks, like water stains from when her water bottle spills. There's usually a space here when the cushion slides out that she keeps her water bottle in. And sometimes, you know, when they tip over, they leak a little bit. And so I want to go ahead and see if I can clean this. This couch is pretty old at this point, but I'm going to use dish detergent and water and try to see if that will help. I think I've done that in the past, but it's been a while. And I actually didn't know how bad it was because usually we have like pillows and blankets and things over here and she's sitting over here, so I didn't realize how bad it was until you know, I gotta like really strip it and clean it. So let's tackle this. Although I didn't do it in this video, I think it's time to go through this basket underneath this entryway table and declutter it. But if I'm being honest, I mean, we live here and I don't hardly have any storage. So these are just things like some of Sydney's field hockey items that we use. I put in here maybe some hats. I don't even know. I guess I need to go through it. Hats and gloves. We didn't use them all summer, of course, but that's just where they live and it's kind of convenient. But it's kind of driving me insane how full it is. So I will be tackling that. Did not do it in this video. But this entryway table, I will link it down below if I can find it. It is from Target, and I believe they now have side tables that match this. I love this, and it was fairly inexpensive when I bought it a couple of years ago, but I always get questions about it. So I'm giving this a nice wipe down and just getting ready to add some fall and Halloween touches here in the next couple of days. Always like to, make sure the registers are dust free and underneath the registers. And it's so funny watching this back in real time as I'm recording the voiceover, realizing how kind of scattered I always am with cleaning or projects. That's just how my brain works. I don't necessarily do things in like a flowing motion. So yeah, I thought about the fact
fact that my fern from Trader Joe's from several years ago has died, and I can repot this plant into that terracotta pot. And so I just did it when I thought of it. I think it looks so much better in the terracotta pot. And it's making me want to go grab some more, warm colors and fall colors for my other plants. That is something that I'm going to go do. Home Goods usually has some cheap ones, and also Lowe's and sometimes Home Depot I find them, but mostly Home Goods. Last but not least, just tackling the jacket situation in the entryway and taking down the things that needed to be washed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this motivational video. I will be decorating very shortly and sharing that believe October 1st on my first Momtober video. So stay tuned for those. I will see you in a couple more videos before then though. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will talk to you soon.